Hello friends, in this video we will see how to create a profile rib in Creo. So first select the top plane and go to the extrude option. Now sketch view is selected. So we will create one simple object. So I have created a circle, extruded it. Now again I have selected a top plane and go to the option extrude. And created one more circle onto it, as like suppose shaft attached to a disc or disc, we can say it as mounted on a shaft. In this way. Now in this video we will see how to create a profile rib. So see here there are two options. So that is a profile rib. Plane I have selected center plane. So first we will select the references so that we can properly connect it. So by using spline we will try to create a good profile. Now this right side vertical line is not selected as a reference, so it is not picking up the point. So again we will select that line as a reference. Yes, now it is selected. And again we will continue with this spline command. So just for our visual purpose I am adjusting the zoom in zoom out. Now we'll create one good profile. So a sketch is created. You see what happens here. If you zoom in you will be able to see it correctly. So some additional portion is created, so that we can delete it by going into this delete segment command. So it is taking the thickness as 6.44. I modified it to 7. Now we can use a pattern command so that this rib can be created across the circumference or through 360 degree, we can say it as. So simply for that you need to go to the option that is a pattern rib, and we will rotate it about the disc, so about the axis, so we need to select the axis as well. So profile rib should be selected here on left side, and then go to the option that is pattern and select here as the axis. So now here 4 is selected, and we will try to make it 6, but see now the angle is 90 degree, and if you click on OK, it is giving us the error. You can see the red color in the part file, part 004. So angle value we need to give it properly, so 360 by 6, so 60 degree, and click on OK. See, thus we have created a good profile ribs. In earlier video you have seen what is trajectory rib, and this is a video about a profile rib. So stay connected to learn the new things in Creo and to do the fast modeling techniques, to understand the fast modeling techniques. You see the object is visible now. So if you switch off this shading, then what we can say, it is as like giving the customer a proper view. So that can be learned under rendering as well.